Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you the social media channels that help new and beginning content creators blow up and scale up their accounts, even if they're starting from scratch. The fact is, while there are a lot of channels you can market your content on, not all of them are designed for new creators. In today's training, I'm going to show you which ones are not ideal and which ones you should focus on instead. This could end up saving you hours upon hours of frustration as well as lots of money on paid ads if one of those channels ends up being a good fit. First, let's go ahead and have you hit the like and subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you can be notified when I release new content. But let's go ahead and get started with the different channels that are great for new content creators. First one we're going to talk about is TikTok. The TikTok algorithm works like this. First, they show you your content to a few people. If your content gets some engagement, they broaden the pool of viewers. This keeps happening as long as the engagement continues to increase. This guarantees that people will see your content no matter the quality. If you're just getting started and you don't have money for ads, TikTok is the #1 channel I would recommend. Next up is YouTube. YouTube works similarly to TikTok, but because of how big the platform is, there's a chance that your content may not get seen. So instead of creating content that will end up on someone's homepage, the trick to growing, especially when you're just getting started, is to find products that people are already searching for. Now, this means that your views won't depend on how many subscribers you have or how many videos and how many views your videos have. Instead, you're just putting yourself in front of traffic that's already on YouTube. As long as your video answers the question, people will watch it. A third option is audio apps like Clubhouse, for example. Clubhouse was the hottest social media platform for a while there, and it's now starting to level off a little bit. So what's great about these apps is there's sure to be more in the future, I'm sure, is that you basically, if you're into audio and podcast style content, it's very easy to use and get started and get noticed. It's especially true if you're talking about a topic that people are already interested in. Now, the goal shouldn't just be to get attention. It should be to grow your email list. Email is the perfect place to interact one-on-one with your audience. It's more controlled, especially in the sense that an algorithm doesn't determine who sees your content. It's a better way to sell your offers as well. So now that we've discussed the channels you should consider, let's chat about the channels that you should stay away from. First up would be Instagram, second, Facebook fan pages, third, Twitter, and lastly, Snapchat. Now, don't get me wrong, all of these great channels to be on. I just wanted to be upfront about how hard it is to grow on these channels without using paid ads. Look, whatever path you choose, no matter your channel of choice, I want you to be in a place where you can grow. In most instances, there's one or two things you're going to need to do: either run paid ads or produce tons of organic content. At the end of the day, though, you need some sort of offer to promote. And honestly, it doesn't matter whether you use paid ads or organic methods. Simply put, where are you going to get paid? All these people will tell you about all these opportunities. There's this funnel and that funnel, this home business and that home business. But at the end of the day, who's paying you? Who is putting the money in your bank account? That's the good question. Now, example of, what mechanism is going to work for you that's going to help you make money? You've got to think about that. Never is there a place that anybody really teaches you that. They just teach you this trendy thing and that new thing. Listen, the easiest way for a beginner to make money is to use affiliate marketing. And again, that's where you promote someone else's product. They create the funnel, the website, the product, and all you have to do is send customers to it and get paid. The problem with affiliate marketing is that it's old school. It was designed years ago to help customers find companies and companies find customers. So you only get paid one commission. If you send a customer to a company and then buy the product that you promoted, you get paid. But if they buy 50 other products, you won't get paid. It's often very hard to stay in business if you're only making money on one product on one-off commissions. What you need to do is find a way to make multiple commissions. That was virtually impossible until I learned about ecosystem marketing. This is essentially the ability to promote a product that gives you multiple commissions. This program is actually called Partner with Anthony, which I've linked in the video below. Basically, this program teaches you how to build a real business, how to build an email list, how to promote a product. This gives you even products to promote. The difference is when you buy the product, you're promoting an entire ecosystem. Once that someone buys, you can get paid a commission, and there are somewhere between 12 and 15 products that you can earn commissions on. This means that instead of being an affiliate, you're actually a true partner. You're getting paid on every single product that someone buys instead of just one thing. This is how you shift your mentality and put yourself in a position to succeed. This is especially crucial for beginners. Now, the Partner with Anthony program, or PWA, it's a great way to get exclusive access to high-ticket products as a partner of Anthony Morrison. So go ahead and click the link below. It will give you access to this program and enable you to put money into your bank account. All the funnels in the world don't matter until you have this program, so be sure to check it out. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that like button after you subscribe to the channel. So thank you for viewing today's training, and I'll see you next time.